All right, guys, I'm going to get right down and dirty with this video here. So we have a 10-inch AVS RC50 Bogie wheel. And instead of buying the whole wheel, because this one's in good shape, we're going to rebuild the whole thing. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out this snap ring here. And this side of the wheel faces the inside of the track. So the frame of the track. And then this side's going to face the outside. This is where the bolt goes through and there's a nut. So the first thing I'm going to do is right here is where the C-clip, these holes are all full of rust. So I'm just going to take a little drill bit. Just drill it out so I can get a grip on it. Tap these loose just to get some movement on them. And get your snap ring pliers. See if we got any movement. Okay, so we got a little bit of movement on one of them. Well, that one I need some vice grips and some hammer action, but she's out. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is remove this seal here, which it's gonna come out with the bearing, race, and seal all in one unit. So what I do, just work my way around with a punch and a hammer. Do it evenly on all sides. Okay, now you're gonna get to the point where it's flush with here. So what I do is I throw it in a vise to have the jaws on either side and just keep pounding it out. This one's just super rusted in here, so the seal doesn't want to come out. So in this case, what I'm gonna do of something stubborn, I think I'm gonna throw a socket in there. It's gonna grab the bearing right like this. It's a 30 mil, so that should do the trick. You just throw it in there and a couple good smacks. She's fighting, but she's coming. I'm gonna throw it in the vise again. So here, guys, just some pounding. The socket was actually slightly big, so now the race from this side is stuck on that socket. So just keep that in mind, that's fine. So you got your seal, your bearing, your washer, and now we just have one race we're gonna pound out. Once again, we take our punch and we're just gonna go around. What's up, babe? Okay, there's the race. So just be careful when you are doing it. There's this inner lip here, right here. There's this inner lip. That's not the race. That's where the bearing race sits on. So you got to go under it just slightly to get to the race. So the next step is we want to clean all this out, get some brake clean all the old grease out, and we can install the new ones. Also, mine's full of rust in here. Not full, but it's got a little bit of rust and pitting on this inside lip, so it's all even a good idea just to run a wire brush and a drill just to get rid of everything. Okay, now you're gonna install everything in reverse order. So I got a kit, comes with everything you need. This old stuff is garbage. New clip, your bearing, and your cone. So the first thing that's gonna go in is your cones. And take a little bit of grease, and make sure it's bearing grease, guys. Put it in here. A nice coat in there on both sides. And you can either find a socket with this exact diameter or just slowly work it around with a punch. You're going to want to tap it until it hits this lip on the inside. So 36 mil should do the job. Let's try that. I think that'll be a little bit easier. A different hammer that's not